Hey everybody, welcome back to the Nexus where we spotlight some of our favorite local businesses. Today I have Steph here with Morrow Collision Center and Galaxy Towing and so many other things. They just have had so many new developments that I'm really excited for you to just come in and tell everyone what's going on.
I think this is the second time I've
Yep.
been on.
Second time. I think you're the only repeat guest I've ever allowed on this show.
I'm so selfish.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
You're an excellent client of ours, and we love helping promote our clients and just a growing business in the community. So,
Well, I mean, I can't talk enough good about you guys. So anytime we expand or grow or add services, it's an email and then it's done and updated. So I really appreciate it.
well, thanks.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
But we're here to talk about you.
I know, but I had to give you a shout out.
Thanks. So, okay. So, Morrow Collision Center has a new location. That's the biggest news.
Biggest location out of the 4 that we have right now, and that does include Beeman Auto Body. Technically 3 Morrow locations and 1 Beeman Auto Body location, but it's all in the same family. So we do have 4 locations now. The newest one is right by Lincoln Southwest High School.
So convenient.
So convenient. And we hadn't been in that area of town yet. So this is going to be, customers have been driving across town to see us for years and saying, I wish you were south. I wish you were closer. And we've heard that. And we wanted to make it happen for them. So
that's awesome. Well, I had the pleasure of seeing the new shop yesterday. You guys had your ribbon cutting,
We did.
which was awesome. The event space in the front is even bigger than the Northeast location.
Yeah, so one of the visions for our our newest shops, the 84th and Adams location and then this new Southwest location, was to have it be a kind of dual body shop and event space when we weren't open for business. And so that front inspection area of both of those locations is available for renting for parties. We do a ton of graduations. Like graduations are booked for 2026 already, which is bananas.
So are you booking out to 2027?
We are actually. Yeah, I'm not kidding you. So we actually we probably have a couple dates still available at that new Southwest shop, but for 84th and Adams is pretty booked for May. And so we've gotten calls for 2027.
That's awesome.
And so I want to say we have about 3 parties booked for 2027. So,
well, I can say we hosted an event, a fundraiser at the Northeast location, and it was a great event. Everyone had a super fun time. One thing I truly appreciate, you've given a few free rentals to like Habitat for Humanity.
Yeah.
So you guys are willing to have a reduced rate for nonprofits.
Yeah, nonprofits or any like school-sponsored events. I mean, I don't want to say school-sponsored, but if it's like a end-of-the-year sports party,
great
we
idea.
do all of those things for free. So we're not going to charge for any of those
and
events.
You can bring in your own food and drink.
Yep, bring in your own food, your own drinks. It's all customizable, so you're left with this amazing, just like kind of blank slate space. You can arrange tables and chairs how you want and decorate how you want.
And some tables, chairs, and linens are included.
Yeah, we have 12 6-foot tables at 84th and Adams and 15 6-foot tables at the Southwest location. And that comes with chairs and tablecloths. So we really try to make it easy for you to come in and set up your party and minimal cleanup. Yeah, so it's very, very easy, and we're flexible and easy to work with, I like to think. So.
Oh, you definitely are. Well, I guess let's go back to collision repair.
Yeah.
Because I just recently had to have a little snafu fixed at your shop.
Yes.
And it was so easy. Like, the people are so friendly, and I feel like you guys did a great job. Obviously, it's perfect. But there was also an area where it was kind of like, should we repaint that whole panel or can we just maybe buff it out? Might be because I've had the ceramic coating put on by you guys, but you know, I really feel like you made an effort to like keep the cost down for me, and that was super appreciated. But tell us about all the latest and greatest, because you guys have like a ton of technology there.
We do. And so the biggest thing is like accidents or like insurance claims being turned in is down just across the nation. So we're in an industry that was like crazy booming in 2024, and now in 2025, people are just unsure if they want to spend the money on the repairs, all of those things. And consumers are just getting really smart. They're doing their research. They're figuring out what makes sense to repair and what doesn't. We have self-driving vehicles. We have the latest and greatest like accident prevention, like sensors and all of that. the radar and things like that. And so we're really in a competitive field, and, you know, we have to invest in the best equipment. So
Right.
to get to that point. And so we have a drive-through alignment machine. So when you come for an estimate at our new Southwest location, you drive through and right away you know if your alignment's off. And that's just a report that spits out within minutes of you driving in.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to stop or anything.
No. So just more added information when you really want to know what's wrong with your car. We're able to tell you on the spot exactly what to expect for the repair, exactly what to expect as far as cost goes, and all of those things. So
yeah, and it sounds like you guys might start doing some actual like mechanical work as well. So like if your alignment was off, you could fix it.
We could do that in-house. And anytime you get in a collision, a lot of times there's mechanical things that can go wrong as well. And so we would rather just keep everything in-house and have our techs be able to handle that for you. It makes the process faster for everybody. Yeah. And so we're kind of getting into a little bit of the mechanical realm. Just to make the process smoother and more of like a one-stop shop. We also have the rental.
I was just going to say that. Yeah, that was super handy. I just picked up my rental car right around the corner in the same building. It was a nice rental. Yeah. I really enjoyed it. It was a Hyundai.
Ooh, fun. Rentals are fun. But yeah, we have Hertz at 2 of our locations. We do also detailing. For your vehicle. So if you get in an accident, you want to add on that detail or just come for a detail.
There is nothing better than getting your car detailed.
It's a nice refresh, right?
Oh, it just is just amazing. Yeah. You feel like $1,000,000 when you're driving a clean car.
Smells better. The amount of like French fries and stuff that the guys find in my car is insane. Like, it's embarrassing. Kids, right?
Oh, yay. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. And you guys do like shampooing and like
stain removal, pet hair removal, all of those things. Yeah. We've done like some really crazy stuff, like somebody thinking they had bed bugs in their car or lice.
Oh.
Yeah, that gets into like its whole own like, you know, situation. But we've dealt with some unique stuff and try to do the best we can. Yeah. The thing with detailing is just knowing your customer's expectations. Yeah. You know, it's never going to be a brand new car. We can just work as hard as we can to get it to that point.
Pretty darn close.
Yeah, pretty darn close.
That's right. So, well, you guys have a really big event going on at 2 locations tomorrow. Yes. Tell us about that.
It's on Friday.
Oh, Friday. Right. Today really does feel like Thursday. Hey, I'm sorry. I mean, the Nexus is on Wednesday.
Oh, okay. Is it Wednesday?
Yeah.
Thank God. Okay. Well, this Friday, October 24th, we have our trunk or treat, and it's our 4th annual. So our marketing director, Regina, came up with a trunk or treat, and I was like, duh, like, this makes sense for a collision
so
center,
smart,
right?
Yeah.
So for 4 years now, we've been hosting a trunk or treat at our 84th and Adams location. So now we're also adding on our new Southwest location. So those events will be going on simultaneously across town. We do every year have an inclusive event from 5:30 to 6. That just simply means if you have kiddos that need no sounds, no loud music, sounds, not as much of a crowd, no smoke machines, flashing lights, that kind of thing. Just want a quieter experience, less chaotic. That's from 5:30 to 6. Mm-hmm. And then from 6 to 8, it's open to the public for those 2 hours. And we work really, really hard to get people in and out pretty quickly, visit each stop. It's very easy to understand the flow of stopping at each booth. And so the line does move really fast. And obviously it's all inside at both locations. Yeah. So you're not having to bundle up and be cold. Your kids can wear their costumes and actually show them off. So I'm
really looking forward to it. Yeah. I think we've been at all of them. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll have a trunk there this week, this Friday.
Yep. And we have food trucks. Yeah. And this event draws in like thousands of kids.
And the costumes are so cute. And I really love homemade costumes. Yeah. So if anyone's not sure what to do for your kids, just use paper and crayons. I don't care.
Yeah. Yeah. It's the best event that we host all year. And our team puts in just so much work into it. And we just we are happy from seeing the kids be happy. And parents be happy. I mean, that's truly like what makes
our and all your employees can like bring their kids, and it's just it's a happy day.
Yeah, it is. It's wonderful. Yeah.
Well, what else do we need to know about you guys? I think we haven't even touched on the fact that you guys have expanded into towing.
Oh, yeah. So we have Galaxy Towing. We have 2 trucks. So Kenny's our tow truck driver, and he's amazing.
Kenny's the best.
Not all tow truck drivers, but I think they get a bad rep, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Kenny's available. He's been doing this for so long, so he's a true expert. He's like the nicest guy ever. He's going to show up, make sure that you're okay.
He'll be very calm.
Yeah.
When you're probably in a bad mood.
Yeah, he's seen everything about everything. I will have people message me directly and just say, hey, we need a tow. He's taken people to where they need to go if their car isn't drivable, obviously. So he really tries to help out, and it's just easy, it's reliable, and we work with insurance. And so it just could not be easier to get things going.
Agreed.
Yeah.
That was a super easy process when my son's car just finally had its last breathing day.
Yeah. And we aren't, just to clarify too, we're not like a 24/7 type of tow service. There are companies that do operate like that, and those are 100% needed. We're more so during the day, normal hours, 8 to 5. If you need us, if you get in a collision type accident, just call Galaxy Towing. And he can come meet you anywhere.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure this year has been a little bit chaotic for you, considering you just got married.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the new location opened the same week, so...
Right.
That's bananas.
Only business owners can do crazy things like that. But I have to say, it was an amazing wedding, one of my favorite of all time.
Thank you.
Yeah. And also, just tell us a little bit about how that stress has added up with the expenses of building a new location just constantly spending without being able to get more revenue coming in.
I just think with any business expansion comes just a ton of risk and a ton of reward. If you're a business owner and you're not willing to take risks, then you're never going to achieve all of your goals. And so I just think we've become very comfortable being uncomfortable. Yeah. And it's part of growth. Yeah. And we know that and we expect that. And I feel like we have the best team and the right people in all of the right spots that work for us. And I just have nothing but positive plans for the future. So...
Well, it has been really fun to watch Morrow Collision Center grow from when we first met about 7 years ago, I think. You only had the one location, and you were focused on marketing at the time.
Yeah,
we built the new website, but you've changed positions there, and now you're more like in operations and HR.
Yep, operations and HR, and anytime a Google review is left, I get to respond and handle. You guys are amazing at helping us with our Google page and Google profile, but we take Google reviews so seriously. Yeah. And I know a lot of businesses do, but those just cannot get ignored. So we really try to thank our customers and, along the way. But anytime a Google review is left, that is just a huge effect on us. So I'm the one that reads those, investigates it, figures out how we can learn and do better and resolve it. And I think one thing that's unique about us is we truly care. You will get a phone call from me if there's ever an issue. If you call in and just have questions about your repair, I'm going to take over and I'm going to lead the whole process moving forward. So
I've seen it in action, people. I have. So
yes. So we care is, I guess, what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
So.
Well, as always, we want people in the Lincoln and surrounding area to support local businesses. You guys have put a big risk on the line, adding another shop. So we want everyone to take your cars in. And what's good is right now, you guys can probably get them in just a little sooner than you would have at the Northeast. You have more capacity.
Exactly. So that new Southwest location, normally we prefer appointments, but because we just opened, we do have more availability. So if you get in an accident, you're in South Lincoln or you're in any small communities that are south of Lincoln, just stop into that shop. You don't need to call first. Yeah. You don't need an appointment. Just come see Emily, and Jason's going to be able to get you an estimate, and we're going to give you the best advice. Is this something that you can pay for out of pocket? Yeah. Is this something that is best to get insurance involved? we're going to guide you from start to finish through the whole claims process. So you like literally come to us and then you just kind of let things go and let the process happen and we'll handle it for you. So,
yep. I've seen it in action.
You're a pro. Stop breaking your car.
I know. I can't. It's like every 2-3 years.
I know. It's because you like seeing us.
Yeah, I do.
I get it.
Yeah. Well, thanks for taking time to come in today and tell everyone about the trunk or treat on Friday.
We're so excited, and we hope we'll see you there, and we hope to see everybody else.
Yeah, sounds good. Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in a few weeks.